Good afternoon. My name is Chance Jaffrey, and today I'll be going over the General Electric 90B engine. Engine operation and use. The General Electric 90B is one of the General Electric's 90 series, which has seen more than 2,000 engines in service. It's a dual rotor, axial flow, high bypass ratio turbofan. The 10-stage high-pressure compressor is driven by a 2-stage high-pressure turbine. The single-stage fan and 3-stage low-pressure compressor are driven by a 6-stage low-pressure turbine. The engine includes the starter and the engine mount, but it does not include the thrust reverser. The engine has seen its use through the Boeing 777s. Technical details. Utilizing the first ever composite blade with unique curved design reducing weight and fuel burn with a 94,000 pound force at sea level static thrust and 90,580 pounds of force maximum continuous, along with a maximum N1 speed of 2,465 for both takeoff and maximum continuous, and N2 speed of 10,918 for both takeoff and maximum continuous. The dimensions of the engine include a length of 286.9 inches, a width of 152.4 inches, and a height of 155.6 inches, each engine weighing around 17,400 pounds. The advantages of the engine include a 3.6% reduction in fuel burn from initial launch specification, a 60% improve in time on wing, and a world-class 99.98% reliability rate. The use of the composite fans double the strength with a third of the weight compared to the titanium blades. Engine incorporated inward opening variable bleed valve doors and received FAA approval for additive manufactured compressor sensor. The disadvantages to the 90B include some special conditions, which include the JAR E800 bird ingestion, JAR E790 inclement weather, along with some equivalent safety findings such as the 740 time to accelerate from 10% to 95% takeoff thrust, the 840 rotor integrity, the 640 static pressure test, 890, and the 650 thrust reverser test. Some previous issues with this engine was found 3 years ago, which included a Boeing 777-300 Echo Romeo suffering an uncontained interstage high-pressure turbine rotor seal failure, resulting in an aborted takeoff. On the same day, the same incident happened to a Thai Airways Boeing 777-300. As a result, the debris impacted the fuselage and the other engine, and this all occurred on the 20th of October 2019. Here are my references. Thank you for listening to my presentation for the General Electric's 90B engine. Thank you.